So let's see all the transition, how Apple have introduced their devices. So your iPhone 3G and iPhone 3GS, they had the resolution 320 by 480. Then they introduced iPad with a resolution 768 by 1024. Now we know how to bifurcate between these two by using user interface item as a checkpoint. Now, when a Retina display was introduced in iPhone 4 and 4S, the resolution was 640 by 960. Now, but the window size, that means the graphical system, was still stick to 320 by 480. So, in order to make your app compatible with the Retina display 4 or 4S, you have to still stick to the same resolution. But if you have an image called abc.png used in iPhone, then you have to tell your designer to create a new image called abc@2x.png. So if the size of this image was say 30 by 40, then in iPhone 4 or 4S, the size of the same image should be 60 by 80, exactly double. And you have to put @2x. Rest everything will be taken care by the iOS. So porting from iPhone to non-Retina to Retina was straightforward. Then they have introduced something called iPad 2, which had the same thing. iPad 3 onward they had introduced Retina support. Also for iPad 5, iPad 4, same thing. You just have to produce an image with @2x with a double the size what you are using in iPad, and that's it. They have introduced iPad mini which has the same resolution like 768 by 1024. Again, you don't have to do any changes in your code, it's by default compatible. Then they came up with iPad Retina, which was again same concept, migration from non-retina to retina. Just create an image of double the resolution with @2x. When iPhone 5 was launched, the resolution for iPhone 5 was 640 by 1136, but for the window it was 320 by 568. So if you see, your width is same, only height is different. So in iPad, if you want to make your app compatible with the iPhone 4, 5, 5s or 5c, you don't have to change everything. The buttons, the internal small elements will be same. Only your background image needs to be having the size of this with @2x, because again iPhone 5, 5s and 5c are retina support. So you have to create images as per this resolution, the background images of your screens with @2x. Everything else will be taken care by the iPhone. So now in this case, if I want to support iPhone 5, I don't have to change the cell height or anything. I have to just change the frame of the table. So I will say if UI screen dot main screen dot bounds dot height is equal to 568. Okay, it means it's an iPhone 5, else it's a normal iPhone. So in that case, I'll just change the height of the table to say 500, because number of cell height of each cell will be same. In iPhone, if you are seeing say 5 cells, in iPhone 5 you might see 7 cells. So just the change in the background view, nothing beyond that. Okay, so here the bifurcation is between iPad and iPhone. Inside iPhone you have to make sure you have 568. In iPhone 6 and 6 plus, again you have to just check the height, and accordingly you will set your frame for your view. So the migration on the iPhone is not that difficult because it's only resolution porting. So we always use height of the main screen to check whether it's an iPhone 5, 6 or 6 plus. Okay, and retina and raw retina will be taken care by @2x. That's it. Okay, So now in next module, we'll be learning a new UI component called WebView. Okay, we'll understand how these cross-platform architect, HTML5 based architect really works. Like how does PhoneGap, Titanium, Xamarin, everyone works. Okay, so we'll be creating that base architect within a new module.